Hi, this is Lars Pearson with the MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 27 SDX Outboard. You can see this boat is equipped with a 300 Mercury Verado V8. Out here at the transom, you get a nice swim platform, still room to walk around the outboard. You have a massive ski locker under the rear sun pad, as well as storage under this portion. Nice place to lay out. This pops up, creates great support when you're hanging out. So now in the transom walkthrough, we have a cooler. Grab your drinks while you're hanging out in the water, as well as your Fusion remote stereo. Walking into the cockpit, as you can see, we have great wraparound seating for plenty of guests, family, friends, as well as an area to put a pop-up table. This goes right into the side here, as well as another table comes with this boat to go up in the bow. You have storage under your seats back here, which gives you a lot of room for life jackets, any inflatables, or any bags and stuff that you may bring on the boat. And this spot has a removable cooler. Now moving up, we have convertible seating, so you can sit facing forward when you're running, or facing back like this while you're out anchored up. This boat is equipped with a very large head compartment, as you can see here with the sink. Coming to the helm, on this side as well, you have a flip-up bolster, as well as converts to face aft. At the helm, you have our SIMRAD display, our Fusion stereo unit, all your switches. Now walking up to the bow, you have storage underneath in the decking, as well as storage or coolers under both the bow seats. You also have a wind gate that can close when you're out there on a windy day, like that. Folds nice out of the way, nice and easy. Now up here in the bow, you also have grab rails for safety, flip down armrests, as well as your windlass anchor system, making it easy for you to take that anchor out when you guys are hanging out at the sandbar. Again, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax, and you're on our 270 SDX Outboard. And you can reach us at 609-207-3325.